Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Your resume?
Yes, ma'am.
Your name?
Vaishnavi,
Okay, Vaishnavi, where are you from?
Kamareddy.
Introduce yourself, Vaishnavi.
Okay, ma'am. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Vaishnavi. I'm basically from Kamareddy, currently staying in Hyderabad. I have completed my graduation at Avian Institute of Engineering and Technology in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering in the year 2022. And my academic projects are major project is predicting flight delay with error calculation using machine learning with data analysis. Minor project is FBI crime rate using machine learning with data analysis. And my strengths are I am self-motivated and flexible, testing, automation testing and core Java and basics of C, C++. My goal is to place in a reputed company and to get a good position in it. Coming to my family background, we are 4 in our family, including me. That's all about me. Thank you.
Okay. What are your hobbies, Vaishnavi?
Playing chess and browsing the net.
Okay. Your technical skills?
Manual testing, automation testing, core Java, and C basics of C, C++.
Okay. Okay. What is SDLC?
Yes. STLC is a software testing life cycle. The major activities involved in developing the application is called as STLC. The various activities involved in developing the testing the application is test planning, test analysis, test design, and test execution, defect reporting, and test closure.
How many types of reviews are there?
There are two types of reviews, ma'am.
Okay. What are they?
Formal review and informal review.
Okay. Can you explain them?
Yes, ma'am. Formal review is conducted by following some standard procedure is called as formal review and informal review. The review conducted without following some standard procedure is called as informal review.
Okay. What is a bug life cycle?
The various steps of defect from its encounter to its closure is called as a bug life cycle.
Okay.
And in this bug life cycle, there are various status are there. When the tester encounter a defect and it is reported to the status as treated as new, the developer work on this, analyzes this defect, and if it is a valid defect, it is uh, treated as open. If the defect is invalid, it is rejected. If the defect is not clear, it is kept on hold. If the defect is already reported by the other tester, so it is treated as duplicate. Now the developer work on this open defect and he fixes the defect. He releases the new module of this defect. Now the tester again conducts the retesting, and if the defect is fixed, that is its status is updated as defect closure. If it is not fixed, again the defect is reopened. This process will continue until all the defects are fixed. This is known as the bug or defect life cycle.
What is dynamic testing?
Dynamic testing is after developing the application, testing it whether to check it is working according to the client requirement or not is called as dynamic testing.
Okay. What are its types?
There are 4 levels of developing this dynamic testing. They are first one is unit testing, second integration testing, system testing, and UAT testing.
Okay. What is inspection?
Inspection is conducted while developing the application is called as inspection. The review conducted.
Okay. What is ECP?
ECP is the equivalence class partition. It is one of the black box testing technique. In this technique, it is used to prepare the test data. In this technique, the entire data is divided into some groups in such a way that each data in every group will give the same output. Now, one data is taken from the each group, preferably the middle one, and to test the functionality. It is known as the equivalence class partition.
Okay. What is integration testing?
Integration testing, after developing all the builds, combining all the builds into one main module, and testing the flow of data between the units is called as a integration testing. There are 4 approaches to do this integration testing. One is top-down approach, bottom-up approach, hybrid approach, and Big Bang approach.
Okay, what is UAT?
UAT is a user acceptance testing. The testing conducted by the domain experts and the client to make a decision whether to accept the application or not is called as UAT testing. There are 2 types of UAT testing. One is alpha testing and other one is beta testing.
Okay. What is defect severity and priority?
Okay. Of the defect on the application is known as the defect severity. The order in which the reported defect developed by the developer is called as defect priority. These two are measured as a very high, medium, low, and the defect severity is decided by the tester. Defect priority is decided by the developer.
Okay. What is reproducible defect?
The defect which is encountered every time after reproducible defect.
Okay. Okay, Vaishnavi. We are done with this round. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, you are good. I'm impressed with you with your answers. Okay. So
Thank
we will be get back to you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Yeah.
you.